OSOYOO Raspberry Pi V2.0 Car Lesson 4, Use mobile app to control the car with UDP protocol. In this lesson, we will teach you how to use mobile app to control robot car through UDP protocol. Step 1, Hardware Installation. You must complete and test Lesson 2 and Lesson 3 before you continue on with this lesson. Step 2, Install app. The app for this lesson is compatible with Android and iOS device. You can go to Google Play or Apple App Store to search OSOYOO Wi-Fi UDP robot app, and you will see an orange icon. Please download and install this app. Click this app. You will see the interface in Android and iOS device as these. Step 3, Software Installation. Please turn on the switch on battery cover before you install software. If you uses Windows System PC, you can use POOTTY as remotely console. Firstly, please log in Raspberry Pi remotely with user's name, Pi and password, Raspberry. Type command to download the sample code, http://osoyo.com/driver/pcar/pcar udp-control.py. Then type command, python pcar udp-control.py. Connect your phone with the same router Wi-Fi SSID your Raspberry Pi use. Open the app, click Settings and enter the IP address of your car and the port 8888, and then click Connect. Now, you can control your car by Wi-Fi. Click direction keys to control robot car by manual and click middle key to stop movement. Click tracking key to control robot car by moving along black track. Click obstacle key to control robot car by moving avoidance obstacle. Thanks for your watching, and for more information, please visit www.osoyo.com.